Self-defense. Self-defense is an affirmative defense under Nevada law against a violent crime such as battery or domestic battery. So what does self-defense mean under Nevada law? It means two key things, and these two things must be shown. Number one, the defendant must have been under imminent attack by the other person. That means that the attack against the defendant must happen right here and now, not future harm, not past harm. It must be imminent. Furthermore, secondly, it must be a situation where the defendant used necessary force, reasonable force, that can repel the attack inflicted on the defendant. For example, let's say we have a battery case and Riley punches Israel across the face. Israel can use reasonable force to repel Riley's attack by pushing him or punching him back to repel Riley's punch. And Riley's punch happened imminently because it happened right at that time. It didn't happen in the future, then it happened in the past. Israel reacted right away by punching Riley across the face and using reasonable force to repel Riley's attack. So, for example, in that situation, Israel can't get a baseball bat or his gun and shoot Riley in the hand, or get a baseball bat and swing his baseball bat across Riley's head. That is not reasonable force necessary to repel his attack. That's going well above and beyond, and self-defense will not work in that situation. But a push or a punch in that example will suffice. And the prosecution must prove in that case, if they move forward with that case and not dismiss it, that he did not act in self-defense. It's on them to do it. It's on the defense to raise self-defense as a defense. However, the prosecution must show that the defendant did not act in self-defense in that case. Therefore, that is self-defense, and that is exactly what it means, and an example about how it applies in an actual criminal case.